I was never frightened that I was going to die because I somehow, maybe it was my age, I just sort of knew that I was going to come out of that war, okay? And there were times when I was very concerned, that something might mess up, when you're down there and they call for flank speed and you're the guy that's responsible for those two engines, you want to hear them really roar smooth and trouble-free and so on and so forth. And you can be concerned. And but no, I felt that I was immortal, and so, and and people ask me, was I brave? I wasn't brave either, because you have to be afraid to be brave. I wasn't afraid. I was immortal.